Hey guys, today we're going to learn more about this a bit hidden, underrated tool part of the Google Workspace, Google Drawing. So how can we use that? Where can we find it? There are several ways how we can open it up, but my favorite is simply to head to your Drive, the Google Drive, the triangle icon, and then when you select New, you want to create a new document. Of course, at the very top we got popular formats like Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, but you can click More. And then you will see Google Drawings. Click on that. It will take you to Google Drawings and you will have a new drawing straight away with the transparent backdrop. Keep in mind, if you click here at the corner, you will be able to alter the aspect ratio, the size of that drawing. So just by dragging this corner around, you can change from landscape to vertical one like that. At the very top, you will see this short menu with all of the basics. There is undo, very handy, redo, print. There's also paint format. We can zoom in and out using this little menu here. There is a select and also a shape tool. Under this, we got familiar shapes. It's exactly the same like in Google Docs or Google Slides. We got several shapes to choose from. And when you got the shape you want to use, then you simply draw it on your artboard like that, and you will have more options to fill the shape with colors and modify the properties. As you can see, it's really very similar to our Google Slides, Google Docs. Alright, so that's where you can find and use Google Drawing. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next lesson.